Okay, before discussing the answer, before discussing the questions, I want to say the answers of the previous class. Fill in the page number 35, your textbook, page number 35, lesson 2, find factors using multiplication. Fill the missing number. 2 into 1 number is equal to 20, which is the number 10. Okay. Then 5 into dash is equal to 45, which is that number? Yes, 9. 9 into dash is equal to 81. Yes, 9 into 9 is 81. Then find all the factor pairs using multiplication facts. 40. 1 into 40 and 40 into 1. Then 2 into 20. 20 into 2. Then 4 into 10. 5 into 8. These are the factor pairs of 40. Then 64. 1 into 64. 2 into 32. 2 into 32. 4 into 16. 8 into 8. Very good. 8 into 8, 64. So these are the factor pairs of 64. 75. 75. 1 into 75, 75. Then 5 into 15. 5 into 15. 3 into 25. 3 into 25. Any other possibilities here? The 93. Yes, 1 into 93. Then 3 into 31. Any other possibilities? No. Okay. Then how can you write 16 as the product of only prime numbers? That we will discuss. 16. 16 we can write 4 into 4 or 2 into 8, any number. 4 into 4. 4 are not prime numbers. So we want to convert this 4 as the product of any two numbers. So 4, how you get 4? 2 into 2. Into this 4 also, 2 into 2. The prime factors of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Then from your text workbook, page number 28. Fill in the missing multiplication facts. 6 into dash is equal to 48. Yes, 6 into 8. 9 into dash is equal to 90. Yes, 9 into 10. Then 30. 1 into 30, 30. 2 into 15, 30. 3 into dash is equal to 30. Yes, 3 into 10 is 30. Then you write 10 into 3. Okay, or 15 into 2. Any number you can choose here. Then here 10 into 3. Next 15 into 2. Then 30 into 1. Factors of 30. Which are the numbers we are using? The factors of 30. 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 30. These are the factors of 30. Factor pairs 130, 250 and 310 are the factors pairs. Then 36. How you write 36? 1 into 36 and 36 into 1. 2 into 18. Then 3 into 12. 4 into 9. Okay. These are the factor pairs. Then 9 into 4, 12 into 3, 18 into 2, 36 into 1 also possible. Then factors of 36. Factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18, 36. These are the factors of 36 and factor pairs. These are the factor pairs. Then write 54 as the product of prime numbers if one of its factor pair is 6 into 9. 54. We can write 6 into 9. 6 and 9 is not prime number. So we want to change 6 as the product of two numbers. Which are the numbers? 3 into 2. So 6 we can write 3 into 2. Then 9 is prime or composite number? Yes, composite number. We want to change 9 as the product of any two numbers. 3 into 3. So 54 we can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. These are the answers. Then today we will discuss finding common factors. Finding common factors. First we want to find factors, then find the common factors. First question. Find the common factors in each pair of multiplication sentences. Here some multiplication sentences are there. From that only you find the common factors. These are the common factors. 5, 8, 40. The next numbers 10, 5, 50. From this you want to find the common factors. Then 7 into 9, 63. 2 into 7, 14. From this common factors. 7 into 9 is equal to 63. One numbers. 63, 7, 9 are the factors. 2, 7, 14. These are the another factors. Write whether true or false. Rewrite the false sentences to make them correct. 1 is a common factor of all the numbers. When we are finding factors, which is number common, 1 and the number itself, then we will check it. Which are the common factor? 1 is there in all numbers. If yes, you write true. Otherwise, you rewrite the sentences. In which case, you are not getting 1 as not a common factor. Second, the only common factors of 20 and 40 are 1, 20 and 40. Find the factors of 20 and factors of 40, then find out the common factors. There are no common factors of 75 and 100. You write the all factors of 75, all factors of 100, you find out the common factor. Okay. The third question. Write the common factors of 27 and 45. Right? 27 you write the first you write all factors of 27, then 45 find the common factor. Circle the greatest out of all the common factors. You find out the greatest common factor here. From your textbook from your workbook page number 29, finding common factors. First question, circle the common factors in each pairs of the multiplication sentence. From this, this is the first question. Two numbers are there. Two factors are there. From this, you find out the common factors. This is second question. Not comparing this two. Comparing these two numbers. Okay. The next, list the factors of the given numbers. Write the common factors in the shaded part and the rest of the factors in the non-shaded part of the circle. First, you want to find the factors of 8. In one paper, you should write factors of 8 and factors of 54. Then you want to find the common factors. Common factors. Which are the common factors that number you want to write in the shaded place. The remaining factors of 18 you write here. Remaining factors of 54 you write here. Same way here. 12 and 72. Common factors you write here. Remaining factors you write in the both unshaded place. Write all the common factors of 12, 20. Circle the greatest one among them. Then factors of 12 you write here. Factors of 20 you write here. Common factors. Then circle the highest common factor. Okay. Today we are discussing how to find the common factor. I hope all are understand this section. How you find the common factors? First we want to write all the factors of the given numbers. Then comparing that two factors, which is the common numbers, that are the common factors. Got it? Okay, do all problems from your textbook and workbook and send to me. Have a nice day. Thank you.